This is a very minor movement, okay? So in that position, I want you to almost imagine that your pelvis is an ice cream scoop.
Okay.
And you're going to scoop the ice cream up with your pelvis, okay? So starting in that position, I want you to tuck that tailbone under. You'll feel it in the lower abs. And bring the pelvis towards the knees. From here, I want you to reverse that action and you're almost unscooping the ice cream.
Okay.
So you're creating a bit of an arch in the lower back as far as you can, and you'll feel it in the back this time rather than the lower abs.
Okay.
And just rotating through those movements.
And where does this movement want to be coming from, Ella? It feels very subtle, but is it just my pelvis tilting up and down?
Yes.
And keeping my heels and feet on the floor?
Yeah. So you'll feel it in this direction where you create an arch of the back. You'll feel it in the lower back.
Okay.
And then when you're scooping the ice cream, you'll feel it in the lower abs. It's all about rotating that pelvis, keeping it moving, encouraging that lower back to move.
Okay. And I shouldn't be feeling any pain here?
No pain at all.
Okay. If I do feel pain, obviously I just stop.
Just stop if you do feel pain, or if it's too much of a range for you, then just less of that range.
Okay, that's great.
If you have any questions or queries, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, then why not check out the next video here.